We all know that the skin is the reflection of your inner body's health. Liver spots, for instance, are a sign that your liver is not functioning as it should. It is like your body wants to send you a message. It becomes clear that skin problems like eczema, acne, or psoriasis have a deeper underlying cause. Something is wrong on the inside. Creams and lotions worsen this only, since the skin beneath it cannot breathe. The skin is the largest organ of your body and as such a mirror of your overall health. In this video you will learn how melatonin has a huge impact on your skin, especially high dosages of melatonin. Some of the explanations you will understand immediately, others we will back up by studies. Let's start. Melatonin sits in every cell of your body, so also in every skin cell. As such, melatonin has the highest anti-inflammatory capabilities. It is highly anti-inflammatory. Melatonin is one of the most powerful antioxidants that can help defend against a variety of stressors. As an antioxidant, melatonin is 10 times more powerful than vitamin E, has 13 times the antioxidant capacity of vitamin C, and is 70 times more effective than vitamin C and E at suppressing DNA damage. A huge number of skin problems are caused by inflammation. Does a pimple not look inflamed? Or acne for that matter? You can even see the red inflamed area. The next thing how melatonin gives you a flawless skin is through your gut. Yes, you heard this right. The health of your gut goes hand in hand with the health of your skin. There are many studies that point directly into the skin-gut relationship. Did you know that there is 400 to 4,000 times more melatonin in our digestive system than it is being produced by your pineal gland? Yes, it is. Every cell of your body produces melatonin. In total, the amount produced by your pineal gland is just a small fraction of what is being produced overall. The link between gut health and skin problems is absolutely visible in the research. If you have skin problems, chances are that you have a gut issue too. Here is a study that showed people with rosacea and acne are 10 times more likely to develop chronic gut issues. The name of the study is Allergic Disease Linked to Irritable Bowel Syndrome. The study was done by the Rush University Medical Center in the year 2008. It showed that 34% of patients with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, have skin problems too. Today, the gut-skin connection is being widely accepted. If you want to go to the root cause of your skin problem, look at your gut microbiome. Stress, poor sleep, the lack of nutrients in your diet leads to a situation where your gut microbiome is overrun with harmful bacteria, so-called dysbiosis. This leads to allergies and inflammations on your skin. Restoring a healthy gut flora will eliminate the inflammation and consequently the skin irritation. Production of collagen and elastin. According to a study, protective effects of melatonin on the skin. Future perspectives published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2019. Melatonin has the potential to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin in the skin. Sleep and skin health. Melatonin gives you a restful sleep. It regulates your circadian rhythm, and it is actively involved in creating a good gut flora. The circadian rhythm seems to play a vital role in this process. In another study, researchers have found out that especially night shift workers had an increase in psoriasis, and they clearly linked this to a disturbance of melatonin production and a circadian rhythm issue. In another study, published in the International Journal of Molecular Science 2019, researchers have found out that melatonin fights the damage done by ultraviolet A and B rays of the sunlight. It suppresses the production of oxygen species in the skin and protects it against inflammation. As such, melatonin has tremendous anti-aging effects on your skin. Melatonin has also shown to reduce water loss after UVB treatment. It is involved in quite a number of anti-aging benefits for your skin, while hydrating it and protecting it from oxidative stress and inflammation. Melatonin is possibly the best protector of your skin, and it is a natural one. The skin is therefore not only the largest organ of our body, it is the one that is the most visible when it comes to aging or anti-aging for that matter. Melatonin can be considered as the #1 natural skin protector from the inside out. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, share it and subscribe to the channel. More to come soon.